What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to another 370Z video. On this one, we have a front lip for my V2 Nismo Front Bumper. Watch it. So I'm not going to show you how to remove your front bumper because I believe I've done this like a handful of times already. I'll post a video right over here for how I removed it, but you know the gist. Alright, so I successfully removed the front bumper, and if you haven't seen my previous video when I unboxed this package from Poland, that one is going to take you to my rear diffuser video, and if you haven't seen that, it's worth a watch. I already tried opening it once. This one doesn't look as confusing. So just like the rear diffuser that I got from PIOTR from Poland, it's very low-key, very stylish, It's not aggressive, but it'll definitely add to the look of this V2 Nismo Front Bumper. So now let's try to mock up that snug fit. Ooh, yes, baby. That looks nice, very clean. And it just adds that, there you go, boom. So this is what it looks like with the lip, and here what it looks like without the lip. There's other two packages in here. It feels like these are the hardware. So this says lip left, right. This one's the lip center. So let's unbox that. Obviously it didn't came like this. I took my time and organized it. So two washers, one small and one bigger one, and then a nut. There you go. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we have this 2 for the center lip. So 10, 2, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 holes, and then right over here for the 2 bolts. The only thing that we have to do here is basically transfer these holes to there, drill them, and then do the same thing with this one. It doesn't have a pre-drilled hole on the lips, which I find kind of weird, but at the same time, so if you don't want to run the middle, you can just like boop, but since I paid for the entire thing, there you go. Wow, this is so easy. That's crazy. Oh god, it's not even a year yet and I'm already, wow, yikes. It's not even low yet. It's not even like the max low. I'm already lowered with Swift springs. Jeez. Oh, good lord. These things are made with reinforced fiberglass. God, I hope they don't get messed up. Alright, okay, we're gonna clean this part, add masking tape, and then we can start mocking up some holes. So I got it on. It's not entirely bolted. The only thing that is actually closed are these ones, because they're the one that actually helps with the stability of this piece. I don't really care about the rest because I just need where I will drill holes for the mid part of the lip. Alright, so I managed to paint these front lip pieces to match with my rear diffuser. Alright, very tasteful color matching. So here's the thing though, I totally forgot to drill another hole. Why? Which hole, Eric? Well, here's the thing. This hole for the middle piece is pre-drilled, and it has that matching bigger hole right over on the bottom. All right, so cool. So that's where our bolt is gonna go through to get through here. But here's the thing, we can't really access that anywhere in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill another hole through here that'll come out right over here, and then make another bigger hole right over here so that we can access the nut to close it. Do you get the idea? Okay, I'm gonna grab the bigger hole saw. I found my circular saw. Yeah, but it's missing a piece, the one that goes to the drill. So can't really use this. So I had to improvise, and it's not the most gracious hole.
That's what she said. Or he said.
But it will do. So that's what I'm planning to do. And now let's try to install it. Okay, well that took longer than expected, so we have like 10 bolts all over. This one's facing down, 1, 2, 3 is facing up, this one's facing down. Just because I can't really access this part right over here. You need a open head wrench. Took a while, but everything's bolted in. Now we have to, let me just tell you this. The bumper is significantly heavier now, right? With these front lip installed, the middle's still there. So yeah, I mean, I guess it would improve some aerodynamic. Not promising anything. Maybe it's just for race, like I mentioned. So now these ones are poking out. They're just loose there, honestly. So we're gonna wing it. Hope for the best that it's gonna hold up, but yeah. All right, let's go. Don't you just hate it when you think everything is going dandy, no, real nice, too good to be true, but no. So problem is this bolt was sticking out of the middle center, the center lip. So that's not gonna pass on me. So now I'm gonna put a little buffer here of a nut, because there were like 2 nuts involved with this long ass bolt. So I'm gonna put it through, and this time I'm going to assemble the front, these all 3 lips before bolting them in to the front bumper, basically. Get it? I was so close, and all my, hard work and dedication just out through the window. So, yeah, okay. A 30-minute installation became 2 hours worth of pain and suffering. So this is the final-ish product, as you can see. So everything is bolted but not tightened because I still need to tweak a few stuff. Right? It looks good. It looks good. So this middle piece, the center lip, is the bane of my existence because, as you can see, there is a small gap on both sides. This front lip is supposed to be a little forward, so it goes straight from end to end. As you can see, it's not perfect. I tried to match the photos from Peter's page, but I just can't. So it has to be probably 1.5 inches away from the front so that, you know, I can actually make it look seamless. But I'm actually really happy with it, you know, how it looks like. Holy smokes. I can't wait to put it back in, but, you know, I have a few stuff to install. So I'll finish the vlog right over here. If you found this video really helpful for people who are, you know, trying to install Peter's front lip on a V2 Nismo Front Bumper, leave a like. You know, what do you think with this front lip? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it meh? Do you hate it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, because I respond to, you know, every single one. Well, some of them when I have the time. And if you want more 370Z content, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and then the bell to get notified when I'm going to be releasing new videos. And I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, folks.